Winter Term Opera happens every January. The focus is on doing contemporary new work that has been written in the last 3 years. And it tends to be edgier and smaller, more chamber ensemble. And the spaces usually tend to be a little funkier, a little grittier, so smaller, more intimate opera, as opposed to the big giant stage we use in halls. So we kind of do this new opera gets to be in conversation with the classics that we do during the school year. So this is Wild Beasts of the Bungalow with a score by Rachel Peters and libretto by Royce Vavrek. Royce wrote Angel's Bone that we did 2 years ago and last year's Proving Up. And it is a new opera. It's a world premiere. It is the first of our commissioning project that we just started. This is a completion commission, so we found funding from a fantastic alum to pay for them to be able to finish writing the opera. And so we get to premiere it in its entirety. The tough thing about producing opera is that you're producing opera. Doing it in a month is, it's kind of a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, right, it's gonna get done no matter what happens. It feels super compressed, super fast. The schedule reflects that of like a professional schedule out in like the real world. The bonus is that the students, everybody working on the show is doing nothing but working on the show, which is kind of great. So their focus is not split by classes and homework and all this other stuff. So in a way, it's like this nice, cool, saturated, intense period of rehearsal that is actually like very fulfilling. And so we get to work a little bit faster and a little bit deeper. The students get this opportunity to like immerse themselves in what might feel like a more professional production when they graduate. They get a lot of hands-on work with the designers and with actually like all the jobs they do like mean something. If they don't do them, like the show will fall apart. And that's actually fantastic to have students be able to work on a show like that. And I think it's thrilling. And they get to interface with guest artists who are like professionals in their own right, who come in, who are working in the real world. And so they bring a wealth of new knowledge and different contacts. And so it connects the students with, the world outside of Oberlin, I think in a really meaningful way that has an impact. This is a world premiere. So that means the writers are coming in, which is cool. So they get in this weekend. We had a workshop in September where they came in and we had a cast kind of breathe life into the full score for the first time. And we got to play around with them and ask questions of the text and give the singers a chance to just kind of like explore this wacky world of the opera. I've never directed a world premiere opera, so I'm personally really excited about it. And I know that the students are pretty jazzed because they had this realization that they're the first full cast, right, to like perform these roles.